Hey guys, so here we are. Little rail fanning here in St. Paul. What's going on? So we figured do a little walking here. Canadian Pacific line here. I didn't call it. Hobo shoestring would be proud. Kind of walk along the rail here. The old this is the old Ford Motor Company rail. It goes always down to where my dad's last switch yard was. You can kind of tell. Not too bad. It's a nice day for rail fanning. Nice day to walk around. But yeah, it's a nice Saturday here in Minnesota. Got a little rain. You can tell there's an old spur right here. Yeah. Old bridge here. They should make this into a light rail, but they won't. Not smart enough. So I took all the cars out of St. Paul. We don't want to break the ankles here, do we? Let's go over here. It's Duke, James. Shepherd Road's over there, the old Mighty Mo. Little train spotting, rail fanning. Lovely St. Paul, Minnesota. Oh man, it's a great day to be alive. And got some rain here in Minnesota finally. Really weak winter. A rail fan across the old Mighty Mo today. So there's a bridge that goes across there. But this is kind of a cool rail line. I've done it before, way back there. Never know, maybe like I said, there's that ghost train. Remember that thing in North Carolina? People thought there was a ghost train waiting for the son of a gun to come across, and it didn't. It killed one and killed the other. Not a very smart thing to be doing, right? Gotta be watching what you're doing here, or you will break an ankle. Gotta be careful. If a train does come, I'm in big trouble. Where am I going to run to, right? Yep, the old Ford line. Should have made this into a light rail, into a lovely and talented. There's the old Schmidt Brewery over there. We're What a keg and beer, whatever, filed bankruptcy. Should have made it into an apartments. They tried. Breweries are like podcasts. Everyone has one, and they get boring after a while. I know about that. There's that rail line down there. This one's a little more fun. Downtown, be very, very careful. Yeah, Hobo Shoestring would be proud. Me out here on a cool day, about 50 degrees, walking along, looking down. You can tell it's been a running rail. You got to clean this thing out, dudes, padronis. You realize it went this far. Yeah, the old Ranger plant now is a bunch of apartments, and could have incorporated this into light rail, but they didn't do it. Could have had one going this way, one going that way, but they didn't do it. We'll park over there. Yeah, if the plant left, I don't know how far long ago, then they realized poor choices got made, and people love the Rangers, they miss them. Stupid. But can't tell these people, big businesses, what to do anymore, how to public, right? So yeah, this is a pretty cool rail trail. I didn't realize it was like this. So they put a lot of money in this bad boy. Ford did. Yeah. Comes the police coming to get me. Anyways, guys, here's the first one.